One step closer to immortality. Can we stop cellular aging? Immortality. From ancient myths to futuristic sci-fi movies, it has always been one of humanity's greatest dreams. But what if immortality wasn't just fiction? What if science could actually slow down, halt, or even reverse aging? Today, cutting-edge research in genetics, biotechnology, and artificial intelligence is bringing us closer to a future where we could live much longer, maybe even forever. But is it really possible to stop cellular aging? Can we extend the human lifespan to hundreds of years? And if we do, what challenges might we face? Let's dive deep into the science of aging and explore whether we are truly on the path to immortality. 1. What is aging? Understanding the biological process. Aging is not just about getting wrinkles or feeling tired as we grow older. It's a complex biological process that affects every cell in our body. But why do we age? Microscope telomere shortening. One of the main reasons we age is the shortening of telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our DNA strands. Each time our cells divide, telomeres get shorter, and when they become too short, the cells lose their ability to function properly and eventually die. Microbes, cellular damage, and free radicals. Over time, our cells accumulate damage due to oxidative stress and free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. This leads to organ deterioration, loss of muscle mass, and decreased brain function. DNA mutations and cellular senescence. As we age, DNA errors accumulate in our cells. This not only increases the risk of diseases like cancer but also causes a condition known as cellular senescence, where old, damaged cells stop dividing and release harmful chemicals that affect surrounding cells. Aging is essentially a battle between cellular renewal and cellular decay. But what if we could tilt the balance in our favor? 2. Can science stop aging? The search for eternal youth. Scientists are now exploring revolutionary ways to slow down or even reverse aging. Here are some of the most promising breakthroughs. Microscope 1. Telomere extension therapy. What if we could prevent telomeres from shortening? Researchers are now developing telomerase-based therapies to restore telomere length, potentially extending the lifespan of human cells. In some animal studies, this method has already reversed signs of aging. DNA 2. CRISPR gene editing. With CRISPR technology, we may be able to edit aging-related genes to slow down the biological clock. Scientists have already identified certain genes, like FOXO3 and SIRT6, that are linked to longer lifespans. In the future, gene therapy might allow us to modify our DNA and unlock a longer, healthier life. Microbe 3. Senolytics, killing zombie cells. As we age, our bodies accumulate senescent cells, old, dysfunctional cells that don't die but also don't function properly. These zombie cells cause inflammation and accelerate aging. Senolytic drugs are being developed to remove these harmful cells, essentially rejuvenating tissues and organs. Test tube 4. Stem cell therapy, replacing old cells. Stem cells are the body's natural repair system. However, as we age, we lose a significant number of them. Scientists are now working on injecting lab-grown stem cells into aging tissues to restore lost functions, making old bodies young again. Robot Phase 5. Artificial intelligence and personalized medicine. AI is revolutionizing medicine. With AI-powered health tracking, we could soon have personalized anti-aging treatments. Imagine an AI assistant that analyzes your DNA, metabolism, and lifestyle to provide you with the perfect diet, supplements, and therapies to slow down aging. 3. Will humans live to 200 years or more? Many scientists believe that the first person to live beyond 150 years has already been born. But could we go further? Could humans live for 200, 300, or even 500 years? Some researchers propose that combining genetic engineering, nanotechnology, and AI-driven medicine could lead to radical lifespan extension. There are even futuristic ideas such as downloading human consciousness into a digital system, essentially achieving digital immortality. Some futurists predict that by 2050, humans will have access to therapies that could double our lifespan, meaning that living beyond 150 years might become a reality within our lifetime. 4. The ethical dilemmas of immortality. If aging can be stopped, or if humans can live for centuries, what are the consequences? Here are some ethical concerns. Globe showing Europe-Africa overpopulation and resource scarcity. If people stop aging, will Earth have enough space and resources for everyone? Money bag, will immortality be only for the rich? Will only billionaires have access to these life-extending treatments? Or will they be available to everyone? Balanced scale impact on society. If no one dies, will the world become stagnant? Will the younger generations have opportunities to grow and contribute? Man, judge, should we even live forever? Some argue that mortality gives life meaning. If we could live forever, would life lose its purpose? 5. The future of anti-aging technology. How close are we? So, how long until these anti-aging breakthroughs become a reality? Here's what experts predict. By 2030, advanced gene editing and stem cell therapies will significantly slow down aging. By 2040, AI-driven precision medicine will allow us to extend human lifespan to 120+ years. By 2050, radical breakthroughs in cellular rejuvenation could make lifespans of 150 to 200 years common. By 2100, full biological immortality may be possible with a combination of nanotechnology, AI, and genetic engineering. The dream of immortality is no longer just a fantasy. Science is rapidly advancing, and the question is no longer, can we stop aging? But, when will we stop aging? Conclusion: would you choose immortality? The future of human lifespan is filled with possibilities, and we may be the first generation to witness the end of aging. But if immortality becomes an option, would you choose it? Speech Balloon, what do you think? If you had the chance to live forever, would you take it? Or do you believe that death is a natural part of life? Let us know in the comments.